What's going on, awesome people? Jamie Awesome here to bring you a new box, a Kleavor VStar Box. This released alongside the Astral Radiance set. So let's see what this brings us. Plastic. We definitely have lots of plastic. So it's similar to the Lucario VStar set that we got not too long ago. Get rid of all the plastic for you. I'll show you the two promo cards soon. And all the stuff that comes inside the box. I got jumbo card back there. Looks like we got a total of 6 packs. Get this little cute pin, adorable. A nice V-Star marker. And go ahead and look at the cards. So back here we got the jumbo in the back. But oh, look at this. So this is the full art Kleavor V. It comes cut and axe slash discard an energy from this Pokemon. If you discard an energy from it, if you do discard energy from opponent's active Pokemon. So basically energy trade. Then we got Kleavor V-Star with axe break. 60 to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon V. So it's 120 to active and 60 to a bench. And then Rampage start 30 times for each Pokemon in your discard pile. So 2 promo cards. Do that. And the packs. So Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, and 2 Fusion Strikes. They'll save Astral Radiance for last. Oh! This is the coin. Kleavor! Right there. So open Fusion Strike packs first. Let's go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We got our Shelmet, Lustle, Mana, Meowth, Marill, Sliggoo, Shauna, Victini, Reverse of the Dewpider, and a Cloyster Regular. Next pack. Got ourselves 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We got Sizzlipede, Duffel, Stadygast, Plusle, Vulpix, Adventures Discovery, Schoolgirl, Luxio, Reverse is a Deoxys, and our rare for the pack is the Appleton V card. So we got a V. That's all we hope for with these things is getting a V. So play stars, we get a good chance for stuff. Code card for you. We got ourselves Staryu, Magmar, the Road, Alucha. I did the pack trick wrong. We got a Dusknoir, character rare that goes in the back. Weavile, Frenzengala, Executor. Wait, I didn't do the pack trick wrong because this is the Rev. What the? And then it's Zamazenta V. So we still got a Rev. I didn't do the pack trick wrong. That character card was put in the same slot as the last common card. Wow. Maybe the next pack will have the same thing. Here's Zamazenta V. Wow. Error Brilliant Stars pack. That's pretty fun to see. I love being able to see error cards, error packs. Let's see if we get the same thing here. A Golett, a Corphish, Puck, Trapinch, Gible, Buizel, Cynthia's Ambition, Clang, Barry, Reverses a Beartick, and a Golurk. So no error pack there. And we got our asset back now. Go ahead. We got Chatot, Psyduck, Drifloon, Sudowoodo, Magnemite, Noctowl, Cloudon, Ursaring, Stantler, and a Hitsway Typhlosion V. So we got 3 Vs and a character card from 5 packs so far. Plus the promo. So this turned out to be pretty good. And then last pack, we got Nickit, Togepi, Chatot, Magnemite, Teddy Ursa, Kricketune, Spicy Season Curry, Bishop, Gapejaw Bog, and Reggie Drago. So, all in all, not bad. I got 4 hits. We got our character rare Dusknoir, our Hisuian Typhlosion V, the Zamazenta V, and Appleton V. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.